Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
So y'all, I've been sitting here looking at myself in the camera. I've been sitting here looking at myself in the camera, just thinking like, what YouTube video should I do? Like, you know? And so the idea just clicked. It was like, ding, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to do a smash or pass. Smash or pass. IG followers edition. But this one is going to be like strictly boys. And I might do one for the girls. I might do one for the girls. But yeah, so that's what this video is going to be about. We're only going to do like maybe like 10 people. But how I'm going to do it, okay. So this is how I'm going to do it, right? I'm going to go on Instagram and I'm going to refresh the page, right? And then I'm going to scroll down. And the first boy I see, I'm going to be like, smash or pass. I think that's reasonable, right? Yeah. And I'm going to put a picture of them in the video so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yo, let's get into this fucking video. All right, here we go, refresh. We're gonna do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, let's do this over again. Okay. Who is this? Alright. I know him from school. Well, not school. I just know him from when I was in high school. Like, he was known, you know. I don't know. I'm a pass. I'm a pass, y'all. I'm a pass on that. Yo, this is funny to me. Well, her answers, y'all saw that her answers is the thing. No cap, I'm scared with this next woman. Yo, okay, here we go. I don't know how to pronounce his name and put it on the screen. We're passing that. I'm not even gonna explain why, but we're passing that. Okay. Who is this? He don't have his face on here. Oh, there goes his face. That's gonna be a screen recording though. I don't know if I should put a screen recording in there. Should I put a screen recording in there? I'm gonna put it in there because I don't care. I don't care what they gonna do. Come beat me up? No. But after screen recording, he looked like his vibe would be good. You know what I'm saying? So maybe a smash. Maybe a smash. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I said it so many times. But y'all get it. Maybe. Oh, we're gonna skip him too. Nope. I'm not doing people that I know. I'm sorry. No. No other dude. I mean, I gotta go on my story and go under my story and just pick somebody. Alright, so we're gonna go on this story that I posted today. We're gonna go under here. Let's get the picking. I can't do this. I cannot, bro. Yo, the AC just started on. That's why y'all can hear that. But we're passing him. Because, just because. Okay. Let's do this guy. Smash. We smash. I'm just playing. Why'd I hit the wall with that? Like, that's weird. But we're smashing. Yeah, it's not really that much. It's not giving. Cause I honestly kind of know everybody, so this is like gonna be weird. I'm trying to look for people that I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, and people don't be having pictures and stuff on their freaking like that's rude. Alright, we're gonna do this guy. He posted me on his story one time, and I was like, thank you very much, supported it. But we're gonna pass him because honestly, to me, he looked like he's still legit low key. So like, no, definitely not. Yo, bro, there aren't any cute people. Like, no. There isn't any cute people. Oh my god, I cannot do this. This is why y'all need to interact with me on social media. Because I can't be doing this stuff like off the top of my dome. I kind of can, but I can't at the same time. Like, picking the people, I can't do that. Because like, I can't find nobody. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's just get this thing going. I'm trying to find like, nobody's cute. Okay, we're gonna do this guy. This guy is a pass. Hold on, y'all, because hold on. Alright, I'm back. I don't know how many people I done did. We're gonna do, it's really hard to find guys. Cause I'm all about the females. I love me some girls. For real. For real. And that's gonna be my next. I'm gonna do a female version of this. If this one get a lot of views and a lot of likes, I'm gonna do a female version because that's just what I'm gonna do. Okay. We're gonna do this guy. Let's just pick one random picture. Even though that's my friend, like, we talk on a daily basis. Not when we just started. I met him on TikTok, right? Whatever. But pass. Like, you know, but pass. For real. It's crazy. Everybody's fucking page is private, like. Why is your page private? Like, what's the whole point of the video if you're passing everybody? Why are you in my business? So what if I'm passing everybody? It doesn't matter. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. If you want to be in like my next smash or pass, DM me and I'll put you in there, period.
You can't be replaced.